Gusto mo nga palitan. Apa siya eh? Siya lahi-lahi nga mga sound. Ulit mo muna mag-connect sa YouTube. Antat na.
Sprite, spicy, Sprite, spicy. Yan ang refreshing.
Ang aming pagkanta. Hello.
Buti na lang talaga nakahiram ako ulit kay Ta.
Karaoke TV.
Palakpak ha, palakpak. Hello. Adjust na to ang mic. Hello. Hello. Ayan. I must be crazy now. Maybe I've been too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are old as time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you, to the minute I moved and you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. I whisper this word as you're lying by my side. I love you. They say you love me too. Palakpak. These three words, they could change our life forever. O, diba? Nice kayo. So, sa kanyang giulat. Palit naman eh.